building financial confidence. Small wins strategy. Create quick financial wins that build momentum, confidence, and lasting money habits. Financial confidence does not come from becoming rich overnight. It grows through consistent small success that prove to yourself I can manage money well. Imagine trying to lift a 100 kilogram weight on your first day in the gym. Almost everyone would fail. But if you start with just 5 kilograms and gradually improve, one day that heavy weight becomes possible. Money works exactly the same way. Many people believe financial confidence comes after earning more money. The truth is the opposite. Confidence comes first, then better financial decisions follow. Every financially successful person started somewhere, not with millions, not with perfect knowledge, not with extraordinary talent. They simply collected small financial victories until success became a habit. Today, I will show you the small wins strategy, a practical approach anyone can use regardless of age, income, or country. By the end of this video, you will have 10 simple steps that gradually transform fear into confidence and confusion into financial control. Let's begin. Point number one, understand that confidence is built, not born. Many people think some individuals are naturally good with money while others never will be. That belief is false. Financial confidence is a skill developed through repeated positive experiences. Think about riding a bicycle. The first ride feels threatening. You wobble, you fall, you doubt yourself. But after riding every day, balancing becomes automatic. Money follows the same pattern. Every correct financial decision sends a message to your brain that says, I can do this. Small achievements reduce fear and increase motivation. Psychologists call this self-efficacy, the belief that your actions produce results. Without action, confidence never appears. Waiting until you feel ready usually means waiting forever. The secret is acting before confidence arrives. Confidence follows successful action, not the other way around. Let's say example for this point. Someone who has never saved money decides to save just $5 every week. After 3 months, they see their savings growing. The amount may be small, but the belief they have built is much larger than the money itself. Next, point number two, start with one tiny financial goal. One of the biggest reasons people fail is trying to change everything at once. They promise to save more, invest, eliminate debt, create a budget, and stop unnecessary spending all in 1 week. That approach creates stress. Instead, choose only one tiny goal. Make it so small that failure becomes difficult. Small goals reduce mental resistance. Your brain enjoys completing easy tasks. Each completion releases positive emotions that encourage repetition. This creates a successful cycle. Progress matters more than perfection. Focus on consistency instead of size. Small victories repeated many times become major achievements. Your first financial goals would take less than 5 minutes each day. The easier it feels, the more likely you will continue. Remember, momentum starts with simplicity. Let's say example, instead of saving $500 immediately, decide to save just $1 every day. After 1 month, you will build both the savings and the habit of paying yourself first. Next, point number three, track every small victory. People often focus only on what they have not achieved. That destroys motivation. Instead, record every financial success. Did you avoid buying something unnecessary? Write it down. Did you cook at home instead of ordering food? Celebrate it. Did you save even a small amount? Record it. Tracking creates visible progress. Visible progress builds confidence. Your financial journey becomes proof instead of hope. Over time, you will discover dozens of achievements you once ignored. These records become motivation during difficult periods. Even professional athletes track progress because improvement is easier to see than to remember. Money deserves the same attention. Never underestimate a small win. Today's small success becomes tomorrow's confidence. Example, keep a notebook titled Money Wins. Every evening, write one positive financial decision you made. After 6 months, you will have over 180 reminders that you are improving. Next, point number four, build one financial habit at a time. Habits shape financial futures more than occasional big decisions. Successful people rarely depend on motivation. They depend on routines. Choose one habit, repeat it daily. Don't rush to add more until it becomes automatic. Consistency strengthens neural pathways in the brain. Eventually, the action requires almost no effort. This is how lasting financial discipline develops. Simple habits become invisible parts of daily life. One strong habit supports another. Over time, they create an entire financial system. Small routines outperform dramatic changes that disappear after a few weeks. Master one habit before starting another. Example for this point. Checking your bank balance every Sunday for 5 minutes can become a lifelong habit that prevents overspending and improves financial awareness. Next, point number 5, celebrate progress without overspending. Many people reward financial success by spending money. This creates an unhealthy cycle. Instead, celebrate wisely. Recognize this is important. Your brain needs positive reinforcement, but rewards don't always hit your purchases. Take a relaxing walk, watch your favorite movie, spend time with family, read a good book, reflect on your achievement. Healthy rewards strengthen good habits without damaging your finances. Success deserves celebration. Just choose celebration that support your long-term goals. Financial confidence grows when rewards align with discipline. Example, after saving your first emergency fund milestone, instead of shopping, spend the afternoon doing something you enjoy that cost little or nothing. Next, point number 6, learn one financial concept every week. Confidence increases when knowledge increases. You don't need a finance degree, you only need continuous learning. Choose one concept every week. Understand budgeting. Next week, learn compound interest, then inflation, then investing. Small lessons accumulate into deep understanding. Knowledge removes uncertainty. Uncertainty creates fear. The more you understand money, the less intimidating financial decisions become. Learning gradually prevents information overload. Curiosity is more powerful than engagement. Stay consistent. Knowledge compounds just like investment. Example, learning how compound interest works may encourage someone in their 20s to start investing early instead of waiting another decade. Next, point number 7, replace negative money beliefs. Many limiting beliefs comes from childhood or past experience. I will never be good with money. Rich people are lucky. I always fail financially. These beliefs become self-fulfilling. Replace them with realistic, empowering thoughts. I am learning, I am improving. Every small decision matters. Language influences behavior. Behavior shapes results. Confidence begins with better conversation inside your mind. Positive thinking alone is not enough. Positive thinking combined with consistent action creates lasting transformation. Your financial identity changes one belief at a time. Let's say example for this point. Someone who repeatedly says, I am becoming better at managing money, begins making decisions that support that identity instead of reinforcing old habits. Next, point number 8, solve small financial problems immediately. Ignoring money problems increases anxiety. Small issues become large ones. Face them early. Open your bills. Review your bank account. Respond to financial emails. Correct budgeting mistakes. Handle unexpected expenses quickly. Every solved problem increases confidence. Avoidance creates fear. Action creates control. Financial confidence grows because you learn that problems are manageable. No financial journey is perfect. The goal is not avoiding problems. The goal is becoming someone who solves them. Example for this point. Calling your bank immediately after noticing an incorrect charge often resolves the issue quickly, preventing unnecessary stress later. Next, point number 9. Surround yourself with positive financial influences. Your environment affects your financial behavior. Spend time learning from people who encourage healthy money habits. Read books, listen to educational podcasts, watch reliable financial challenge. Join communities focused on learning rather than showing off wealth. Avoid comparing yourself with social media lifestyles. Comparison steals confidence. Education builds confidence. Your financial mindset reflects the information you consume daily. Choose influences that inspire action instead of creating pressure. Growth happens faster in positive environments. Learning together makes it difficult to also feel achievable. Example, following educators who teach budgeting and investing can inspire consistent improvement instead of impulsive spending driven by unrealistic online lifestyles. Next, point number 10. Let the small wins create lifelong momentum. Success rarely arrives through one life-changing decision. It grows through thousands of small choices. Each good decision strengthens the next. Momentum eventually replaces motivation. Financial confidence becomes part of your identity. You stop asking whether you can succeed, you simply continue improving. Years later, people may believe your success happened suddenly. Only you will know it was built through small daily victories. Every great financial journey begins with one decision. That decision can be today. Start small, stay consistent, trust the process. Small wins today become financial freedom tomorrow. Example, a younger work, a young worker who saves a little each month, learns continuously, avoids unnecessary debt, and invests consistently may achieve financial independence here earlier than someone who waits for the perfect time. Finally, Financial confidence is not about having the biggest salary. It's about believing that every financial decision you make can improve your future. Don't wait for the perfect opportunity. Create one small win today. Save a little, learn something new, track your progress, celebrate wisely, repeat tomorrow. That's how ordinary people build extraordinary financial lives. If this video helped you, like it, share it with someone who wants to improve their financial future, and subscribe for more practical finance lessons designed for people of all ages around the world. Remember, big financial success begins with small financial victories. See you in the next video. Thank you.